Have you ever felt tired, dizzy, or weak, even after drinking plenty of water? You drink water all day, but you still don't feel hydrated. Why? Because hydration is not just about water. It's about electrolytes. Today, I'll explain why your body needs more than just water to stay properly hydrated. Most people believe hydration simply means drinking water. But true hydration means maintaining the right balance of fluids and minerals in your body. Water is important, but it cannot work alone. Your body also needs electrolytes. Electrolytes are essential minerals that carry an electric charge in your body. They help control muscle function, nerve signals, heart rhythm, fluid balance, blood pressure. Without electrolytes, your body cannot function properly. The main electrolytes your body needs: sodium helps regulate fluid balance and blood pressure. Potassium supports heart rhythm and muscle contractions. Magnesium, important for muscle relaxation and energy production. Calcium, necessary for strong bones and proper muscle movement. Chloride helps maintain fluid balance. When you sweat, exercise, vomit, or have diarrhea, your body loses not only water, but also electrolytes. If you only replace water, but not electrolytes, you can dilute your mineral levels. This can lead to symptoms like headaches, muscle cramps, fatigue, dizziness, irregular heartbeat. That's why athletes and sick patients sometimes need electrolyte replacement, not just water. Signs your electrolytes may be imbalanced. Watch for these warning signs: constant fatigue, muscle cramps, rapid heartbeat, confusion, extreme thirst, nausea. These symptoms may indicate dehydration or electrolyte imbalance. Who is at risk? Certain people are more at risk of electrolyte imbalance: people who exercise intensely, individuals with kidney disease, people with diabetes, older adults, people with vomiting or diarrhea, those taking certain medications like diuretics. If you are in one of these groups, hydration is even more important. How to stay properly hydrated. Drink water regularly. Don't wait until you're very thirsty. Eat fruits and vegetables that naturally contain electrolytes. Replace fluids after heavy sweating. If you are sick, ask a healthcare provider about oral rehydration solutions. Avoid excessive sugary drinks. Keep it simple and responsible. Important safety note: if you have kidney disease, heart problems, or high blood pressure, do not take electrolyte supplements without medical advice. Too much sodium or potassium can be dangerous in certain conditions. This builds trust and credibility. Hydration is not just about drinking more water. It's about balance. Your body is like a battery. It needs the right minerals to function. Take care of your hydration, and your body will thank you. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more simple and clear health education. And comment hydration if you learned something new today.